Hey guys, welcome back to another Cream Form video. In today's video, we're talking about a good deal that it has popped up quite a bit of times, but it's time to bring back up because it's nice news and good news for you guys and discounts. So let's go ahead and take a look at it, guys. This is through BoostMobile.com, which of course is a really good carrier, and especially if you get the $25 a month deal. So let's go into it and see what we have. So here it is, guys, in store only, so you cannot order this phone through the website. You have to go to Boost Mobile store, depending on the city that you live in. You might have multiple stores. Like here in my city, I think I have like 3 or 4, I think about 4 Boost Mobiles if they're still up and running, but they should be. They usually just relocate to a different location, but let's get into it. So it says iPhone 11, $49.99 plus taxes when you switch with a valid ID verification. So you can't just go in there and make an anonymous account, guys. You have to have a valid driver's license or ID to show your residency, your name, and all that stuff. And like I said, that deters like fraud and all that stuff. So, but it's not bad. An iPhone 11 is still a really good phone, $50. Like I said, if you go into a store, you can get this phone for $50 when you switch over from a competing carrier. Like I said, really good phone, really good. I think the iPhone 11 still retails for about $530 or something like that. But yeah, now the other one that I want to tell you about is the iPhone 12, guys. This is gonna be a short video, but the iPhone 12 says get an iPhone 12 for only $100 more. So only $100 more. So not $100, but $100 more. So $150, at least what it's saying there. For an iPhone 12, guys, that phone retails for $630. So for it to be only $100 more than the iPhone 11, that's a really good deal, guys. Not bad at all. Like I said, you can get that for $150. Same thing, you have to switch over to Boost Mobile, and you have to present a valid ID. So let's go into it. And like I said, the plans are very cheap, guys. Like, look at this. I got this promo, like, just to try it out, and really good. So new customers only, online only, half off for first month. After that, it's $25 a month for limited talk, text, and data. Of course, no hotspot, at least on this one, I believe. So let's see more offer. So this is another cool thing that you can get. So it says get AMC Plus on us. It says get AMC Plus for 6 months on Sling free stream when you buy a Motorola phone. Visit a store. So that's another cool offer. But like I said, the main offer is this one. Like I said, you have to go. Whoops, someone fell back there. You have to go to a Boost Mobile store, and that is basically just switch from competing carrier. Cannot be, I believe, AT&T or T-Mobile, since they use the AT&T and T-Mobile network. Which that's kind of like a little wishy-washy there, but just double check with the store. But pretty cool, guys. Thank you for watching, guys. Please comment and subscribe. Like I said, I want to make a short, simple video with the iPhone 11 for $50 or an iPhone 12 for $150 or $100 more. Killer deal. So check them out, and stay tuned for more videos. Thank you so much. Check out the description below if you want to support the channel, and all that good stuff. Thank you, guys.